What's up? Just stopping by to give you some free gifts. Yes, who just gives you free gifts like that? I do. So my name is Daraine Delevante, your favorite consumer law expert. I teach people how to repair, rebuild, restore their own credit using the power of consumer laws to gain control of your credit, take your power back, take back your finances, take back those high interest rates that you've been paying to all these corporations. So as my gift to you, as promised, here are 2 free ebooks. There's a link somewhere. You can just click it. You'll get 2 free ebooks and a webinar training. I want you to go be your best self. I want you to go live an abundant life. I want you to go fix your credit. Bad credit is one of the most expensive things, and it will cost you so much. So here are 2 of my free resources plus a webinar training that you can go use to start repairing, rebuilding, and restoring your own credit today. See you later.